Hey, do you want to go on a hunting trip? These are the words that every hunter loves to hear. And when posed with that question by my good buddy John and his father Barry, I had to say yes. We're off to South Dakota for the second year in a row, and while last year was dry and windy, well, this year it's wet and windy. When we arrive in town, we find that most of the fields have not been harvested yet, so standing corn is everywhere. If you've been hunting pheasants for any amount of time, you know, if the corn is up, that's where the birds are. This made for some fairly challenging hunting conditions, but over the course of 3 days, we persevere and have a heck of a time. Join me on this South Dakota pheasant hunt in the north central part of the state. Welcome to the Bucket Boys. We're gonna finish this out.
Okay.
Do you want to come?
Yeah, I'll come.
You're gonna join this hunt well past noon. We've put in quite a few miles and haven't shot a bird yet until we start to push this finger. We're just gonna quickly.
There's a deer. I knew I was hearing something running around in there. Here we go. Good boy, Ed.
Good boy. Work it, boy. There you go.
Good boy, Ed.
He's acting really freaking interested in something.
We'll be able to go in there.
Alrighty, I'm gonna draw some off the other side of the
Good. Brewster! You guys got a spot on him?
I didn't even see you shoot. I have an idea.
I'm not gonna move.
You stay here then. Keep
He
going.
should be in the corn.
Tell me when to go in.
Brewster! Alright, I'm on him. You stay right there. You got a spot?
Yeah, I got a spot on you, Jake.
Where at, John?
Oh, you were right on it when I walked away from
That one should be in the corn.
That one should be right around the
Can you come in here then?
If I start walking,
I got him.
I lose my spot.
Whoo!
Nice job.
There we go. Look at that freaking pretty bird, huh?
That's fine. Nice shot.
Brewster! I don't know why I shot. I got a spot. I got a spot. If someone on the left side has a spot, don't move. Ed is right on him. If you can get up to Ed. John, right there. Got it? And a little triangulation work right there. Oh, hand, okay. Good work, guys.
You think that was one you saw earlier?
Oh, probably. That's right where it went in.
Yeah.
Has there been a single hen yet?
Yeah, look.
Oh, was there? Okay. And Brewster! There we go. Up, I'm on him. Okay, let's get another one. Gotta be one more, huh?
Yeah.
Barry's pointing. Rooster! There he is.
He's running. No, he's dead.
He's running. He's running.
Yep. Come on, Ed.
Come on, John.
Come on, Ed. He's got Ed there to help him now. Ed needs help him get it out. Now that's for what the South Dakota hunting.
That's what I like right there.
That was fun.
Oh, shit. Can you get it? I'm gonna go help him. Rooster! Damn. I held tight.
That was Dylan's bird, wasn't it?
Hand! Hand!
Wow.
Holy hell.
It was right there.
Did we walk this out? And gosh dang. Who was over here? What'd you do?
Chase this pheasant 200 yards from over there. Wounded pheasant, and all the way over here. Chased up into here, I saw it going this little thicket here. Started kicking around, saw it hunkering down. Stepped on it, got a hold of it. Made sure it was dead, walked out here. Was giving my dog some props. Was saying good boys to them. Look over, there's a pheasant just standing right there. I don't know where he came from. All I know is I turned, he got up, and I nailed him right there too. Two birds, just this close to each other.
All right, I'm gonna hand you the camera and show you what's in my vest too. All right, so we've got one rooster. If I can find him. Whoop. Two rooster. And three rooster. We almost didn't push that little finger right there, but holy cow, that was the ticket right there. So
3 birds, that's just about a limit. Attaboy.
we're gonna go get the other guys' limit, and hopefully we can be done for the day. So stick with us. We're feeling good. Day number 2, the polar opposite of day number 1. Don't blink, because you might miss this limit.
As soon as you got it, cut, we're blowing. Heads up, he's working pretty good. Oh, no, he's not.
And rooster! Oh, I would have shot your dad.
Don't worry, I didn't.
Good shot.
Cut towards you.
Rooster!
We have a couple birds out there.
We got at least 3 down.
Okay, good shot, Jake.
There we go.
I had your back up too. You'd have missed that one. I was right on her.
Had to work through him.
Fell right on the edge.
Here's one. One's right on the edge. Right on the edge, dude. I don't know how I didn't see it. Day number 3. While the sun has finally come out, the wind has not calmed down. If you're not fast on the finger, you're not gonna get these birds.
Second time. Yeah, get that bird, Ed. Good boy. Get that bird.
I'm gonna get on the other side of this thing. There we go. Woo! We're on the board. Can't fly away without a wing. Wow. Not gonna get far without that, huh?